Hello and welcome to your NowSkills Network Engineer Level 4 Apprenticeship. Throughout your time with us, you'll learn lots of the latest in-demand skills across 3 strands of knowledge.
There's obviously the key network engineering side or the networking side. So as part of that, the goal will be to cover basic things from learning all about IP addressing, a bit about the history of communications, the different type of communications that are available, both like service provider level where we talk about SONET or SDH. We can talk about enterprise level where it comes to things like servers and installing those types of things. But we also talk about, I guess, what we could call more pure networking, where we talk, we get into things like routing protocols, how things are routed across the internet. So kind of a wide understanding of what networking means. We also cover elements of server. So we look at servers, what the components of servers are, what you need on servers in order to make things work. That's another key component. And the final section is on security.
These 3 areas are essential in the field of network engineering and will therefore be delivered to you by our NowSkills trainers throughout your apprenticeship.
During the on-programme 15 months, we're really looking at giving you some training courses, some training to get your knowledge level up. They will be around the areas of networking, servers and security. And the idea is we can get you to a decent standard of knowledge on that and we can get you through the exams. For the exams, we cover the CompTIA Net Plus, which is a premium exam that's accepted worldwide as an example of somebody who's an expert in networking. And we also cover the City and Guilds security and server exams as well. So they also show your capabilities in those type of areas. Now, as part of the on-programme as well, we do a portfolio. Now, all the portfolio is really you showing examples from work that match the different competencies. Now, those could range from things such as showing you designing a network. Perhaps that could be a wireless access point installed in an office. We have several PCs. It could be the setting up of a router firewall in a small office, etc. So really, enable you to show how you do that at work.
During these 15 months, you'll also spend 80% of your time working for an employer, for which you'll be paid at least the relevant national minimum wage. When the on-programme part of your apprenticeship is over, you'll enter what's called the endpoint assessment.
So as part of the endpoint assessment, there are some main areas. The first one obviously is your portfolio of work. That shows all your competencies, your capabilities, shows off all your skills that you've developed over the year. There's your employer reference. That's the opportunity for an employer to point out all the areas they've observed you in those competencies or in the behaviours that they're looking for. And there's also a synoptic project. Again, it's a bit of an odd name, synoptic project, but what it really is you get to choose a particular networking project. You come into our offices and you do that under exam conditions. So you'll have myself or one of the other tutors will be there to observe what you're doing, and you basically design, implement, test a particular scenario over a period of 3 or 4 days. Once that's done, that all goes into City and Guilds and you're actually called up for an interview. But we will spend the time actually with you beforehand to make sure that you're prepared for that interview, that you understand how to approach interview questions. We'll do role plays, we'll do other aspects around interviewing that hopefully you should be able to go in there confident that you can hold a conversation, answer any questions that come up, and about your portfolio or about the technical side as well.
All of these assessments may seem daunting, but we can assure you that you'll be supported and given guidance throughout. Furthermore, once they're all completed, NowSkills will be there to give you advice as you decide on your next steps.
If you're looking for a career where you can kind of move on and kind of start to look at working perhaps with a service provider, moving more into kind of wide area networking, whether you want to look at moving into a career where you're focusing more on enterprises and enterprise business side of things, It provides a very good grounding from that. But it also, I think, because of the knowledge that you're gaining, it positions you very well if you perhaps want to move further on in education and to, develop some of those areas.
With this in mind, we at NowSkills want you to make the most of your apprenticeship so that when the time comes to take the next step, you'll be ready.